video. And if you haven't seen the shorts I posted, part 3 with like this diaper slime, here's a video. We're bringing back the diaper slime. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this texture? Oh gosh. We're bringing it back. So it did. Oh, it cleaned the container. So it's very watery. So we're gonna put on some gloves. I need to find them though. Ew, it's all over my hands. God. Gonna need the gloves. Here we go. We got 3 gloves, but that's okay. We need only this. So this video is gonna be really quick. I'm not gonna make it long because a lot of you guys don't like how my videos are long. So we're not gonna be. Oh my god, what's going on with this glove? Oh goodness. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I have the exact size of my hand. Ew. I don't like when doctors like put their gloves on and then it feels like that. Do any of you like not like that feeling? Because I definitely do not. Okay, we're trying to figure out how to do this. This video partially took 30 seconds to literally put these gloves on. Okay, this texture is very watery, not really slime at all. I'm gonna give it a new name. We're gonna call it Mr. Diaper Slime. Because actually what actually gave it this texture is actually the stuff in the diaper. If you haven't seen the shorts, if you get a diaper wet and you cut into it, it will have that like sort of ingredients with supposed to make snow slime or cloud slime. But does this guys look like cloud slime to you? No. To me, no. But it's like an okay slime. Wait. It's like very cold but it's very watery at the same time. It's like, I don't like that texture of very freezing slime. So we're gonna try to attempt to think of something. Because I don't feel it with the glove, like I don't. So it's not pleasant, the feeling. It's more of like a watery thing and then it gets on me. Yeah, no, we're gonna need to add a little bit of activator or try and see if the activator is gonna work. I'm not adding much to this slime because I do want it to have its jelly feeling because, okay, maybe we could add a little glue because really it's not looking so well. If we don't want it to be waterish, I think we should add water. I don't think we should add water, so I think so far of what has been done, I feel like we're gonna add glue. And I have one of these baby caps because some of you didn't know, my brother always touches all my items. Okay, so we don't like when that happens, or at least I don't like. Because then I don't like when that happens, because then I can't, obviously make videos like slime for you, so I always have to like hide it or something, which is really annoying. But here is it. I think that's it for the slime, for the diaper slime series. So this is probably the final video for it. So I'm going to post this video, and I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna add actually a little glitter just to end the series. We're gonna like end it in a pleasant way, and because it's pink, we obviously have to make a heart. And by the way, I'm only adding glitter because I want to make a thumbnail for you guys. So, yeah, we're gonna put it into it like this. It's not that best of a heart. Okay, this definitely is good, but this part, okay. Now, I don't know if I have glitter, but we're gonna see what we have our hands. We have black glitter. I mean, a little, it wouldn't be nice. So, look at our glitters. Oh, gold and green. Green would be cool. Okay, that looks cool, kind of. Okay, get that out. Now gold. We have a bit of gold, I mean. We definitely have a lot of gold, so we're gonna spread that through. Or distribute it. And now we're gonna take this. I don't know why I take food coloring, but I think these used to be my old favorite colors, but I don't know. I think they just hit. I'm gonna add a little blue here. Spread it as a line through this line. Then spread it this way. And I think I'm gonna say bye to you guys. This is a very short video, so I'm gonna say bye. Bye guys, see y'all in the next video.